انا شفتك في سيمانه قلبي دقتك بحشي مكانه ويلي ويلي يا دي هبلتني يا ماما ويلي ويلي حراري الصبابة تك 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 تك
Hoi, hoi allemaal. We are back to our regular programming. It's Saturday, beautiful day. I think it's the last weekend where the weather is going to be nice. So we're trying to maximize every ounce of that sunlight and had a nice day. Was reading a book, The Power of Now. I don't know if you've come across this book, but it's amazing. It is amazing. I recommend anybody who's able to get their hands to this book to please read it. It might just change your life and how you think, your perspective, your mindset. Anyway, so I'm trying this new thing where I'm going to try and shop at the market weekly for some good deals. Apparently, the Dutchies shop at the market because it's cheaper and you can find maybe better quality. Ooh, I'm sorry. You can find better quality ingredients like fish or meat or whatever because the supermarket is just so expensive. It just does not make sense like how expensive food is. But actually I find that sometimes I don't know if this is true. Sometimes, of course, it depends like where you shop, where you're based. Like in the Netherlands, we have Albert Heijn, which is like the most expensive supermarket. So that's kind of like the high end. We have Eco Plaza, which is like bio, and that is like high end. And then we have our discount supermarkets, Aldi, Lidl, Dirk. Yeah, but I usually shop just in one supermarket and I try and buy things that are on sale. And so I'm not quite fussy. And then also seasonal. I think it's also good to eat seasonal food. Anywho's, so my strategy is to get good deals at the market and then just plan around the ingredients depending on what I get on that day. So we are going to try and do this and see if it makes sense for the wallet, because the wallet will dictate how much we can spend, and we're trying to spend, we're trying to save all our coins because it just doesn't make sense. Why is food so expensive? I mean, this is like your basic need, like, you know? Anyway, so I'm gonna show you what I got today. Yeah. So this is everything that I got today from the market. I shopped at one stand where they have Euro deals per bag. And so I got some zucchini, some passion fruits, which I never buy passion fruit because it's always so expensive. But yeah, I got all those, some garlic, some tomatoes, and some paprika. So for the whole entire selection, I paid €6, which is a very, very good deal. So we are going to work with these ingredients and try and make something yummy. Yeah, so stay with me as I make dinner for the week and see what we can come up with. Okay, doo-doo. So I have to say that I'm really trying my best to reduce sugar in my diet, but I've been craving these candies. So I got these from this shop. It's where you can like select whatever candy you want and they weigh them. And these ones are special. They're like very Dutch. They are Dutch, but I'm not really sure. What do you call these? Yeah, I'm forgetting the name, but they're really good. I mean, it's an acquired taste. So it might not be very good for some people taste wise, but yeah, so I got these. So this whole pack was like, I think €3. Yeah, so it's like just a treat for the weekend. Yeah. All right, so we are going to use the tomatoes that we got yesterday at the market. This whole bunch that we got for €1, some of the garlic, and we are going to make the famous feta tomato bake. I don't remember what it's actually called, but if you are a regular viewer, you will notice that I have made this before, and it is so good. It's so delicious. It's so easy to make. So we are going to make it again. Okay, so while the feta tomato concoction is prepping in the oven, we are now going to make the stuffed peppers. So these are all the paprika I got from the market for €1. Very nice deal. So we're just going to prep them, chop them, cut them into half, and stuff them. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. All right, so